we want to make very tiny micrometer-sized robots based only on supramolecular structures. So we call them suprabots. Hi, everyone. I'm Thomas Hermans. I'm a senior research professor at Indeo Nanoscience in Madrid, Spain. And the title of my talk is Dissipative Self-Assembly by Chemical Fuels and/or Light. And in systems chemistry, we look basically at networks of interacting molecules. Previously, we spent a lot of effort trying to come up with reaction cycles to control gelation or sol-gel transitions. So we're combining now super resolution techniques with chemically fueled or light-driven systems to study supramolecular polymerization at the nanometer level. And then once we understand and control that, we want to use that new level of control to engineer more complex supramolecular structures. Eventually, we want just autonomous behavior, right? And the robot does something spontaneous. So if you can achieve, for example, spontaneous oscillations of the supramolecular legs that make up the robot, you could think about autonomous motion. I mean, we're not there yet by far, right? So what we're trying at the moment is just to have localized control. So that's where light is really nice because you can apply it with micrometer precision at the wavelength you want, with the power you want. But there are some interesting propositions in the field of let's say future applications. One is time programmable materials. So maybe that could be used in surgeries. You want to clamp an artery, you inject this material and it dissolves after 1 hour, versus the current approach where you have to remove the clamp and sometimes you forget a clamp and can be a problem. And also, let's say if we look at molecular machines, which also kind of are in systems chemistry, there are some papers where they propose to use a rotary molecular machine or switches to be kind of molecular drills or jackhammers to kill cells selectively. So I think those are the future applications of the field of systems chemistry. I'm very happy that ACS has this virtual option. So people that like me that currently have difficulties traveling can also interact with the community and that we can also participate in scientific discussion.